Halito! So today I want to teach you guys about a common mistake that learners do whenever they begin to learn Choctaw. And this is usually Minti versus miti. Minti versus miti. I too actually made this mistake whenever I was learning Choctaw, and it wasn't until I got with a fluent speaker that told me the difference between the two. And now I wanted to teach it to you guys. So the difference is Minti just means is coming. He or she is coming. And so you can say something like Hatagmat Minti. That man is coming, heading our direction. Now if you want to tell someone to come over to you, this is when you would use miti. Miti. So next time you want someone to come over to you, you just say miti, miti. And so these are the differences between the two. So I hope this helps and I hope you use it. Hachipi salajigi.